Hey there everyone, how's it going? I'm Anna and I'm excited to introduce you to a fantastic product known as Hydrossential, a remarkable skincare serum that's making waves. If you're eager to learn all about Hydrossential and how it can transform your skin, stick around because I've got all the details for you. But before we dive into this exciting skincare solution, I've got some important information to share, so please stay with me until the end of this video. To make it easier for you, I'll cover all the key points about Hydrossential. First things first, you'll find the official website link for Hydrossential right below in the description. Now, let's talk about what makes Hydrossential so special. This skincare serum was created by Emma Smith to help women combat signs of aging, including wrinkles, fine lines, dark spots, and blemishes. It's designed to improve your skin's overall appearance, giving you a beautiful and flawless look. What sets Hydrossential apart is its easy-to-use formula incorporating natural ingredients to deliver outstanding results. This special serum is dedicated to enhancing your skin by reducing the visible signs of aging caused by factors like pollution and UV rays. It harnesses the power of natural plant extracts to benefit your skin and overall health. And the best part is that it's safe to use and won't cause any side effects. The serum works wonders in making your skin appear flawless, free from wrinkles, and restores elasticity and hydration. It's crafted with natural ingredients and completely free from harmful chemicals. You can incorporate it into your daily skincare routine to consistently enhance the appearance of your skin. Hydrossential is the perfect solution for various skin issues, including dryness, oiliness, and environmental factors like pollution. If you're on the lookout for a natural way to improve your skin, it's a fantastic option to consider. Be sure to check out Hydrossential reviews to see how it has helped others achieve a more beautiful, healthier skin. What's particularly noteworthy is that the Hydrossential serum is made strictly under FDA and GMP standards. It's a product that quickly adapts to your skin, providing skin lightening and excellent results. Packed with natural ingredients like gotu gola, jojoba oil, aloe, and Japanese witch hazel. It's a game changer. To make things even better, there's a 60-day money-back guarantee allowing you to try Hydrossential just risk-free. You'll also find real reviews. So if you're ready to turn back the clock and regain a youthful look as well as significantly improve your skin's condition, Hydrossential is the answer. It's all natural, safe, and offers exceptional results. Thank you all for tuning in, and I really hope I helped you out. Have a fantastic day ahead. Bye.